step-by-step guide to register as a mediator. In this video, you will get to know the step-by-step process to register as a mediator with Indian Dispute Resolution Center. The IDRC registers or empanels mediators only through invitations. In order to seek an invite from IDRC, you first have to submit your complete CV with info@theidrc.com. After submission, IDRC panel will assess your resume and will send you an invite link with pre-filled complete name. Now, log into the same. The registration form has 3 stages. The first stage will take you to a personal details form. Please fill your full name, then your father's or husband's name. Fill your mobile number and your email. Now fill your date of birth and age. Now please select your gender and your nationality. Now fill your address, PIN code and your occupation. Now click on the next button. This will take you to the second stage where you have to fill your educational and professional qualification. Also your training and experience. Please fill your educational qualification. Fill your college or institution's name, the name of your university, the course's name and the year of passing. Click on the plus button to add more qualification. Please fill your professional experience if any. Fill your employer's name or state whether self-employed, the address, your position and period of your employment. Click on the plus button to add more experience. Now, please select any one panel of mediators from the below mentioned categories you wish to join. Please select your field of specialization if there's any. Now please fill in the details of your mediation training course if any. Please enter your course's name, name of the organizer, course's duration, and your year of course's completion. Click on the plus button to add more course. Now fill your experience as a mediator. Enter your number of cases you have done as sole mediator. Now please fill in the details of mediations conducted by you. Now please click on the next button. This will take you to the final stage of form filling, the terms and conditions. Please read all the undertakings carefully. Now please upload your optional resume. Please check on the I agree and click on the submit button. IDRC will send auto-generated email on your registered email acknowledging the receipt of the form submitted by you and will request you to verify the same. Once your email ID is verified, your form will be processed and approved by the IDRC Council. After approval, an intimation of the same will be sent to you via email containing your dedicated login credentials, which will act like a key to your personalized IDRC dashboard. Looking forward to have you as mediator with us. Indian Dispute Resolution Center, helping good people resolve.